Welcome in to another woolly review with a little tufty yarn. You've got little tufts on it. Now I'm not here to review the colour, I'm here to review the wool itself, and this is Himalaya Everyday Butterfly. Now I know it doesn't say butterfly on there, but Kelebek is actually Turkish for butterfly, and that is why the butterflies are on the label. This is an anti-pilling, 200 meters, 219 yards. They recommend a pair of 4mm needles. They're saying it is a medium 4 weight. And this particular one is in the colour 79104. Yes. It says, it does not occur pilling, balling or fuzzing on the surface of garments. Garments made from Himalaya anti-pill yarns look as good as new after every consecutive wash, while standard acrylic yarns having unpleasant pills or fuzzballs on the garment surface after 2 to 3 washes. It does not damage skin of babies and has certified under Oeko-Tex Class I. 87% anti-pilling acrylic and 13% polyester. And this is said to be ideal for babies. Well, I don't have any babies around here, but I really like this. I love the little tufty tufts. So I'm gonna stick it on me thingy and have a go. It's lovely and squishy. Like, it's squishy. Squish, squish. So it's a little tuft. So you know I'm gonna have to go with this until I've gone through a tuft, which will be fairly quickly, I think. The tufts are, each of them are between 1 and 2 colours. This particular one, it's kind of a greeny blue, yellowy blue. But let's see, it certainly feels nice and soft and a little bit silky, do I dare say. Works well on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And of course I'm using my custom hook that Jelena made with my idea. I gave her my idea, she ran with it and gave me an absolute perfect hook that I was after for a really, really good price, bless her. Down below in the description if you want any details. Now this wool is €1.49 a ball, and the cheapest place I found it, I've forgotten the name again, bear with me. So the cheapest place I found is Abercarn Fabrics, which of course will be linked down below as always. And they were, yeah, €1.49 a ball. Obviously it can be bought in other places, but that was the cheapest that I could find at the time of recording. And it's just gone under me thingy because I wasn't paying any attention. It feels nice to work with. And here we go with a tuft. There's a tuft. Another tuft. Tuft. I'd love the tufts to be more tufty. You know, like, I think it's going to take some work to get them out of the work to actually show up, if that's what you wanted. If you just want a little colour pop, then I suppose the better option would be to actually go and grab a yarn that has just speckles on it, I guess. But I like the tufts. Come on, because I've ruined the ball, it's messed up my ball holder. I like the tuftiness of it. I like the softness of it. And yes, I'm keeping this really, really simple today to do my stitches, because why not? Every now and again, keeping it simple works. Okay. So, it feels nice. I mean, it's not overly fluffily soft, but that I would say is perfect for a baby. I really would. There is a little bit of stretch in there. It's soft, standard, fast, slow. Oh, even past a little tuft, it did quite well. Okay. So let's wind this back up. I hate to say this, but I don't think I can bear to give this one away. I think I really, really want to use this one. So I think this is going to have to go into my collection to be used, because that's good, which of course will be reflected in the review. Stitch markers out the way for the moment, thank you. Now, Himalaya Everyday Butterfly. Am I going to turn my back on it? Heck no! Am I going to be annoyed that it's the only thing left? Heck no! Am I going to be, yeah, that's alright, I can go with that? Nope. Am I going to be very, very happy that I've got that, and okay, I was looking for something else, but you know, that's great? No. I am going to go the full hog. I'm going the full hog, peoples. Himalaya Everyday Butterfly is getting 5 ladybirds out of 5. 5 ladybirds. Woohoo! I absolutely love it. I really, really, really do. I think I would absolutely adore it in the other colours as well, because personally speaking, I like the little tufts. It works very, very well on the hook. It frogs brilliantly even past the tufts. I didn't show you whether it was crinkled or not, which I was too excited. It's nice and squidgy, and it's definitely a wearable wool. Absolutely love it. So there we go, my review for this week. I hope it was of some use somewhere, somehow. If it was, please give a thumbs up, and maybe you might even be willing to subscribe down below, because next time there's going to be another one. So maybe come along. Take care. See you later. Bye bye.